If you're looking for delicious and nutritious muffins, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to be making my favourite muffins, strawberry, chocolate chip and almond muffins. We start with flaxseed eggs. Flaxseed is also known as linseed. Flaxseed is a vegan alternative to eggs. Here we're going to have 2 tablespoons of milled flaxseed and 6 tablespoons of water, and mix and let it sit for about 15 minutes until it's become more solidified. Next up, we're going to take 2 bananas, which are rich in vitamin C, B6, manganese and potassium. They're great for regulating your blood pressure, and they aid in digestion and promote your gut health. Next, we're going to add in maple syrup, which is a great healthy alternative to refined sugars, and it has essential minerals like zinc and manganese. Then we're going to add vanilla extract. So you mix all of the wet ingredients together until it's nicely mixed. Then we're going to add in the dry ingredients. So we start with oats, which are a great source of soluble fibre, which helps lower your cholesterol and improves your digestion. They're full of the B vitamins and iron. Then next we're adding in the ground almonds, and they are full of protein and magnesium and good fats. Adding in gluten-free baking powder and gluten-free baking soda, otherwise known as bicarbonate of soda, depending where you are in the world. And then we mix all of that in together. Dark chocolate, it's rich in antioxidants, flavonoids and minerals like iron and magnesium, so it can improve your blood flow and lower your blood pressure. I can definitely attest to the fact that it may help reduce your stress and anxiety. Since when did chocolate not make you feel better? And lastly, add in the fresh strawberries. Not only are they delicious, but they are good for you. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants and nutrients, so they can help combat inflammation and support your overall health. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. You can coat a tin, either a metal tin or a silicone tin, with a little bit of coconut oil, or you can, I've done the paper wrappers today, and then just fill each one up and then just pat on the ground almonds. Pop them in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. Keeping an eye on them, you'll know they're done when they're kind of golden around the edges. These ones look a little bit overdone. Let them cool before you eat them, and then just enjoy. They are just delicious.